helmet. So Emily, what do you think about his riding style? Because you had a shot already.
Mine was way better.
Why was yours better?
I was doing stunts.
Stunts? What kind of stunts?
Ask Mum. I was like, what's up, Mum? He said, Betty can't even turn it properly. Go, just pick it off and then hold down green. And it should get going. What do you think about the scooter?
Hey, that's heaps of fun. I did fall off, try and do a bit of a U-turn there at one point, but that's okay. A lot of fun, really, really easy to ride.
Push off the ground
with your foot.
Hold it down.
Like you're riding a scooter as a little kid. That's it. That's it. Press the green button.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel. Really hope you enjoyed that last video. Why not stick around and check another one? Like, that's a goodie. Actually, that's a pretty good one too. All right, see you later.